I'm going to show you how to change the tire on a 2006 BMW. It's a 530i. Once you raise the trunk, you will see the spare tire and all the things you need to change it with. And what will be there, you'll have your jack, you'll have your lug wrench, and you will also have a chock. And in your glove compartment, you should have one of these anti-theft lugs. And you probably should keep a couple of those. First, what you want to do is go shock the wheels. It depends on which one. See, I'm doing mine on the passenger side, the rear. So I'm gonna put the chock here on the front. And then you want to take your jack. Once you take your jack, you want to look under there and make sure you put it in that slot. It's a small slot up there. You want to angle this jack at a 45 degree. And you turn it clockwise to crank it. To raise it up, you turn it clockwise. Once you got it started, you want to lift it up just a little bit, but you don't want to get the tires off the ground. So once you got it lifted up a little bit, you want to take your lug wrench, and I'm gonna take my anti-theft lug first. I'm gonna take it off. Like I said, you probably want to keep a couple of these, because if you lose one, you can't take the tire off. Right now, I'm gonna loosen up these other lugs. I'm not gonna completely take them off. I'm gonna just loosen them up. Once I get them all loosened up, then I'm gonna jack the car up until the tire come off the ground. Like I say, you turn it clockwise. You can see it's off the ground now. And I'm gonna just take the other lugs off. Once I remove the lugs, I'm gonna just go ahead and put my spare tire on my original tire. You can see I'm putting the original tire back on. You just want to line those holes up, and you put your lugs back on. And that's really all to it. It ain't much to this. Like I said, I'm just putting them on and I'm snugging them. I'm not getting it too tight till I lower it back down, because you don't want it to fall off the jacks. And once I got it snug, I'm gonna lower it down, which is counterclockwise. I'm not going to lower it all the way down, just as long as the wheels is touching. Then I'm going to tighten it up. Make sure I'm putting enough pressure on them. And that's all to it. Just lower it on down, put everything up. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.